Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep like we're searching for the Titanic. But instead of a shipwreck, we're uncovering the mysteries of your period. Yep, we're talking all things menstrual health and how to make that time of the month a little less, So buckle up, grab your heating pad, and get ready for some seriously helpful tips because we're about to conquer those cramps like the warriors we are. Alright, first things first, let's talk about your menstrual cycle. It's a natural process that every woman goes through, and understanding it can make a world of difference in how you manage your health and well-being. Think of it like a roller coaster, but instead of screaming your lungs out, your hormones are doing the wild ride. These hormonal changes can affect your mood, energy levels, and even your skin. It all starts with your period, which, let's be real, can feel like a tiny human is using your uterus as a punching bag. The cramps, the bloating, the general discomfort, it's not fun, but it's a crucial part of the cycle. But don't worry, that's totally normal. Unless it's super extreme, then definitely talk to a doctor. It's important to listen to your body and seek medical advice if something feels off. After that, your body is like, okay, time to make a baby, and starts prepping an egg. This phase is called the follicular phase, where your body is getting ready for potential pregnancy. This is called ovulation, and it's like the VIP section of your cycle. During ovulation, an egg is released from the ovary and is ready to be fertilized. This is when you're most fertile. If that egg doesn't get fertilized, your body's like, party's over, and sheds the uterine lining, which is basically a fancy way of saying, period time. This shedding is what causes the bleeding during your period. Then the whole cycle starts again. It's a continuous loop that your body goes through every month, preparing for the possibility of pregnancy, and then resetting if it doesn't happen. It's like a never-ending loop. But hey, at least it's predictable, right? Understanding your cycle can help you plan your life better, from knowing when to expect your period to identifying the best times for certain activities. Okay, let's talk about everyone's favorite subject, food. We all love it, we all need it, and it can be a real game changer, especially when it comes to that time of the month. What you eat can actually make a huge difference in how your period feels. The right foods can help ease cramps, reduce bloating, and even boost your mood. Think of it this way, your body is like a car, and food is the fuel. Just like a car needs the right kind of fuel to run smoothly, your body needs the right nutrients to function at its best. You wouldn't put sugar in your gas tank, would you? Okay, bad example, I know some of you have a sweet tooth. But seriously, imagine how sluggish your car would be. The same goes for your body. But seriously, during your period, your body needs extra love and nutrients. It's working hard, and it deserves the best care you can give it. So load up on leafy greens, which are packed with iron and can help replenish what you lose during menstruation. Fruits are great for hydration and vitamins. Whole grains provide sustained energy, and lean protein helps with muscle repair and overall strength. And drink tons of water. Staying hydrated can help reduce bloating and keep your energy levels up. It's like giving your body a big ol' hug from the inside out. When you nourish yourself properly, you feel better inside and out. On the flip side, try to avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and too much caffeine. These can make you feel more bloated and irritable. I know it's tough, but trust me, your body will thank you for it. Making these small changes can lead to big improvements in how you feel during your period. So, next time you're planning your meals, think about what your body really needs and give it the love it deserves. Exercise? On my period? You're kidding, right? I know what you're thinking. Exercise? During my period? Have you lost your mind? But hear me out. I'm not saying you have to run a marathon or anything, unless you want to, you overachiever, you. Even just a little bit of gentle exercise can work wonders for period pain. Think yoga, walking, swimming, basically anything that gets your blood flowing and those endorphins pumping. Endorphins are like little happy chemicals in your brain, and they can help combat cramps and boost your mood. Plus, sweating it out can actually help reduce bloating. Stress less, period more, or less, whatever floats your boat. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room, stress. It's something we all deal with, and it can come from anywhere. Work, relationships, or even just the daily grind of life. Stress is like that annoying friend who just won't leave your house, and it can wreak havoc on your menstrual cycle. You know, the one who overstays their welcome and eats all your snacks. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, which is like the fight or flight hormone. It's your body's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. And while cortisol is great for outrunning bears, not that I recommend doing that unless you're in a zoo and feeling adventurous, it can mess with your hormones and make your period even worse. Imagine trying to juggle while riding a unicycle. It's just too much. So what's a girl to do? Find ways to de-stress. It's not just about surviving, it's about thriving. Meditation, deep breathing, and mindfulness exercises can be incredibly effective. These practices help you center yourself and bring your focus back to the present moment. Yoga, listening to music, taking a bubble bath, whatever helps you unwind. It's about finding what works for you and making it a regular part of your routine. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Taking time for yourself can make a world of difference. So go ahead, indulge in that spa day, read that self-care book, or apply that face mask. Your body and mind will thank you. And don't forget, sometimes the simplest activities can be the most relaxing. A walk in nature, painting, or even cooking a healthy meal can help you de-stress and bring balance back to your life. So take a deep breath, find your happy place, and remember that managing stress is a journey, not a destination. You've got this. Thus, when to call in the big guns, aka your doctor. Okay, let's get real for a second. While all these tips can be super helpful, sometimes you just need a little extra help from the professionals. If your period pain is so bad that it's interfering with your daily life, or if you're experiencing any unusual symptoms, don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor. There are tons of over-the-counter remedies that can help, like pain relievers and heating pads, but your doctor can also recommend other options, like hormonal birth control or other medications. Remember, you know your body best, so don't be afraid to advocate for yourself and get the help you need. That's a wrap on periods, for now. And there you have it, your crash course in all things menstrual health. We talked about the menstrual cycle, what to eat and avoid during your period, the power of exercise, managing stress, and when to see a doctor. Remember, periods are a natural part of life, and there's no shame in talking about them. In fact, the more we talk about them, the less taboo they become. So, go forth and conquer those cramps, my friends. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome videos. See you next time.